Alright, what's going on today, you guys? Sitting here out of the wind in the Subaru. This thing is no longer mobile. Unfortunately, this thing needs a head gasket in the new motor already. Because, Subaru things. But, that's to come. And you guys definitely see that on the channel. Figured we'd update you guys on this thing a little bit. Today we're going to be taking apart the 207. We just got her picked up. And what's wrong with this motor, because maybe we'll just put this thing back in instead. Connor's already got the intake and the turbo off. So we're just going to take apart the, we're going to start with like the valve cover. And work our way into the one side of the motor and then see how that looks, and we'll go to the other side. Anyways, yeah, so this thing is kind of immobile for the moment, and then hopefully when we take this 207 apart, we can, it's still in pretty good shape, so we put that motor back in this thing because she's a ripper. So we're going to start with taking this valve cover off here, and then we got to take the cams out, those two cams out, and so we can get to the head bolts. Be brutally honest with you guys, I never took a motor apart before, and neither has Connor. So, this is going to be a learning experience for the both of us, so don't judge, and just hope you guys enjoy the carnage. So we're making some pretty good progress here. This is actually pretty easy and pretty fun, actually, to be honest with you guys. We got the two cams sticking out of this side, we got the cap sticking off, then there were some seals here, this oil line had to come off. Other than that, though, then these things just dropped right out. Connor took the auxiliaries off. So now we got these head bolts here, and we're going to be able to take this head off. But looking at these cams and stuff, like, if you guys look, just dropped the seal, but they look mint, honestly. Like, there's nothing wrong with here. The valves didn't get kissed by the cam didn't kiss the valves at all. The surfaces of the valves look good too. There's no major gack marks in there, no rust or anything, so I'm gonna call the top of this head okay. So yeah, just if any of you guys are wondering, these were 10 mils, all the caps. And same with these here, these were 10 mils, and then this was a 17 for this oil line, and that's all it took to get the cams out of this thing. Once we get the head off, we'll give you guys an update, and yeah, we'll see what the inside of this motor looks like. Hopefully she's okay. So you got the head taken off, and this side of the motor's definitely seen better days. What's Buddy's shop name? Fucking Windsor Performance. Yeah, you can thank that dickhead for this. He left the intake off, and the car's sitting outside, and looks like this side got full of water. And yeah, so now it looks like this side of the motor's gonna need to be machined for sure. But anyways, we gotta take it apart, and now we know the real damage on what's wrong with this side of the motor anyway. But we're gonna go on to the other side. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying this montage of ripping this engine apart. But we're definitely making progress on this thing. You've only been at it for a couple hours, and for our first teardown, not so bad. We'll see how putting it back together goes. But stay tuned, and while you're sitting there, you might as well hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we're trying to keep putzing away at this. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just realizing here I didn't film an outro, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And while you guys are sitting here, you should please just hit that subscribe button. I want to thank all 133 of you that subscribed thus far, and really appreciate all your support. And we're going to keep cranking these videos out, and hopefully bigger things to come in 2020. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.